Hi everyone, I'm Mohammad Reza and I'm here to help you learn about new AI tools with easy basic English. If you are learning English and your level is not high, don't worry. I will explain everything in a simple way, so you can understand and stay updated with the world of AI. Okay, so what is a Google NotebookLM? If I want to make a long story short for you, Google NotebookLM is an AI system that helps you to work with different type of the files like videos, MP3s, docs, YouTube links. So you have one AI system that you can add several different type of the file there, and then this AI read the information, understand it, and use it to study, work, or create things. With NotebookLM, what we can do? With NotebookLM, we can make a summaries, we can create a study guide for exams, we can build a timeline or event, write a brief document, create an AI podcast from your contents, and it's really interesting when you want to work it with this system for your tasks. I will explain about it. So first we need to go to the notebooklm.google.com. Then we need to sign up. I already did it, it's not hard, just need to log in with your Gmail account. Then you can create a new, and here in this space you can add your sources. For example, I want to study English, so I will go to the YouTube and I just copy this link as a educating video. Go to the YouTube and here add the links and insert. You can add up to 50 sources to it. Also, let's add one more sources. Let me open ChatGPT and give me some information about past tense, for example. And ChatGPT give me some data here. So I want to add this data after reading it to my sources. So I just copy it, go back to the NotebookLM, add, and here the text that I have. So I already added one YouTube links, one text. Also I have other options like Google Drives, MP3 file you can add, and here you can add PDF. As you can see, the MP3 is supported. So right now we have some sources, and let me show you what you can do. So we have a mind map here, and if you choose mind map, it shows the key topic in a visual way. For example, if on the video talking about speaking practice, reading, vocabularies, writing, listening, and others, it make a mind map. Let me choose it and show you how it works. It's done. I open it, look. It starts to show you a diagram that about the content that are in the videos and on the text. So in each past tense, you have diagram of definition. You can open it, describe past actions, finish or complete, type of past tense, past simple, past continuous, past perfect. So based on the data that you added, it make a diagram, mind map for you, and it's really interesting. Just think that you record a video from your class, or you record a meeting from your job task, and you can have all the data structure here. So this is it is for mind map. Also we have a podcast feature here. Is just need before I explain it, you have a setting here. You can choose your language that you want. So if you choose it in any language, the podcast and all the information prepare based on this language. So right now I will choose default, and our language on the YouTube videos is English. So just need to click on generate. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes that it made the audio file. And NotebookLM create a short podcast based on your source. You can listen to it while walking, cooking, or relaxing. Just think that you studied some lessons and you are going out. In the bus, in the train, you can listen to this short podcast about this content. It will be reviewed for you. And also another feature it have, you can ask question while listening, and the AI will answer using based on the data that received. So it have a live option that is better. So it's like that you are really in one studio and recording a podcast. You can talk with the hostess. And till it will be done, another helpful feature that it have, you can add your own note here. You can choose add note and write everything that you want. Also we have a study guide. If you choose it, make a study guide file for you. Okay, it's finished. So you can see that as English past tense, conference, study guide, quiz, short answer question. What is the? It made a quiz for you from the data. It's unbelievable. And here you have the answer keys. It makes everything easy for you. It's like that. You don't need to write anything. Just need a record, an MP3 file when you are in a class, and then you can have all the data in your computer. It's really interesting. And I told you about the changing the languages. Let me check if this podcast is done. No, it's not done. And you have a brief doc here that if you choose it, make a summaries of all the data, all important data for you. So let me open it. What is the past tense? Main type of past tense. All the data of the video is here. It really makes your life easier. Okay, as you can see here, yes, on this screen, we have the podcast. Okay, let's listen to the podcast. It makes you surprised.
And our mission, if you will, is to kind of slice through the confusion.
Yeah, to give you a really clear, practical handle on how they work and why we use different ones.
Right. We're not just listing rules.
No, definitely not. Think of it as translating the grammar speak, into actual.
See, it gave you 30 minutes podcast about all the information that you add. Another amazing feature that you should see. We have an interactive mode here, and it's better. Let me open it. So here we have two hosts that are talking about the topic that we give them.
Welcome back to the deep dive.
In the meantime,
so we've got a bunch of sources today.
They are
articles,
talking.
Some notes.
You can join and start to discuss with
a lot
them.
of English learners.
It's like you are in real studio. Let me show you.
Exactly. And our mission, if you will, is to kind of slice through the confusion.
Yeah, to give you a really clear, practical handle on how they work. Whoa, did someone just break the fourth wall? Let's hear it.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Reza and I am in a video recording.
Hello Mohammed, welcome. So glad you could join us.
Hi, Mohammed. Great to have you listening in. We're just starting to unpack the English past tenses.
We were just about to get in. Oh, go for it.
Yeah, actually, I am in a video recording with my students, and we just checking.
Oh, it's wonderful, Mohammed. Hello to you and your students.
That's fantastic. We hope they find our little deep dive helpful too.
What a great way to learn. Feel free to chime in with any questions from your group.
Absolutely. We love the interaction.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, actually, we would like to know more about your topic, and what do you think? What is the important factors in the past tense?
Hello again, Mohammed, and your students. We're happy to delve deeper.
Absolutely. That's what we're here for. You want to know the important factors.
Well, one key thing is that the past tense isn't just one thing. There are different kinds of past tense.
Exactly.
Look, it is not amazing. You have everything here. So, as summary, you could see that in Google NotebookLM, it's like a smart assistant. It helps to save your time, understanding big information, study better, work smarter, and it's totally free. In my side, I use it for all of my tasks. In my meetings, I record the meetings, I uploaded them here, and whenever that I need to, or if anytime I forget anything, I just come here. And I forgot to explain about this part. You have a live chat bot here. Just think that we forget about something. Let me get help from this brief text. For example, I forgot about some information while I was sitting. No. Let me go to the mind map. But for example, I forget about past continuous. Explain about past. Simple for me, past. Based on the data that you gave to the AI, it extracts your question from those sources. It doesn't add anything to your file. Just based on the sources, maybe you have 50 sources here, and based on those sources, it tell you the answer. It's another thing that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, please don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have any question, please write comment. I will answer your questions, and have a great day. Thank you.